Krishna students, today we are going to start annual syllabus. Okay, so annual syllabus. So many syllabus are not there. Only 3 are left, and Lokottayo only your uh, project. Okay, so today I am giving the project first day only. This Lokottayo you have to write in a chart paper. You can use half chart paper also, no problem, but not the 1/4 half chart paper. একটা গোটা chart paper আর half. Okay, so you have to use half chart paper. There you have to write Lokottayo. Okay, then in bracket you have to write proverbs. Okay, then you have to write Sanskrit and English meaning. No need to write the Hindi one. See, I cut it. You no need to write only. Okay, for the project like this you have to write up to this much. Okay, I wrote here also, write in a chart paper only, Sanskrit and English. Okay, so in a chart paper you will write Sanskrit and English. That means this Sanskrit one and English one. Okay, so today we are going to start from Lokottayo only. From this one only I will start. Okay, so let's see. Lokottayo means proverbs. First one, see, Satyameva Jayate Nanritam. Pure gold never fear the flame. Okay, Satyameva Jayate Nanritam. This is actually the proverb. You cannot get the meaning. Word by word meaning you will not get. But that sense will get. Sense, যে meaningটা বোঝাতে চেয়েছে, that sense you will get, but not the same meaning you will get as English. Because this is the another proverb, this is also another proverb, but sense should be same. See, Satyameva Jayate Nanritam, that means that truth always be win. Okay, and here also see, pure gold never fear the flame. That means pure gold, which one the pure সোনা, সেটা কখনো কি আগুনে ভয় পায় না, flame. So pure gold never fear the flame and Satyameva Jayate Nanritam. This should be not the same word by word meaning. This is the sense are same. Okay, this is the another proverb, this is another proverb. You have to read both only. Okay, next, how I will give the question in exam, I am telling that also. I will give in exam maybe fill in the blanks or true false. That means I will give little wrong here, you have to correct it, or you have to write true false. Like if I give Mithameva Jayate Nanritam, correct the sentences, you can correct it. Or I give dash, then Jayate Nanritam, you can write Satyameva Jayate Nanritam. Or I am writing Mithameva Jayate Nanritam, write true or false. You have to write false because not Mithameva, it should be Satyameva. So like this question can come. Okay, English meaning I will never say to write. Okay, because it is not the word by word meaning. But in project you have to write Sanskrit and English both proverb together. Okay, next, Bishasya Bisham Aushadham. Bisher bishe oshud. Okay, Bishasya Bisham Aushadham. Poison is the medicine of poisons. The same sense we are getting in this English. Diamond cuts diamond. Diamond at a pathor, the diamond only can cut the diamond, not the other things. So same sense we are getting, but not the word by word meaning. I am telling again and again. Okay, this is in this English not the same meaning of this Sanskrit. Now see, Brityam Yatnena Sangrakset. Okay, Brityam, that means you can say wealth. You have to keep it very safely. Okay, same thing we are, same thing, not same sense we are getting in this English. See, character is lost, everything is lost. If one man's character only the spoil, character should be spoiled, then his everything should be spoiled in his life. So character is lost, then everything is lost. Okay, see next one, Gautam no sochami, which one already gone, no need to think again and again about that one. जो बीत गया सो बीत गया, नो नीड टू थिंक. ओके, যা চলে গেছে তা নিয়ে আর ভেবে কোনো লাভ নেই. অ্যান্ড দিস ওয়ান, সম্পত্তি খুব যত্ন করে রাখা উচিত. আই এম টেলিং ইন বেঙ্গলি অলসো, ইন ইংলিশ অলসো. ওকে, সো হুইচ ওয়ান গন, নো নিড টু থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট. সেম সেন্স, সি in English also, in English that proverb we are getting, it is no use crying over split milk. If that milk should be split, মানে দুধটা যদি ছানা কেটে যায় বা নষ্ট হয়ে যায়, নো নিড টু ক্রাইং ওভার দ্যাট. তার জন্য কেঁদে কী লাভ? দুধ যদি একবার নষ্ট হয়ে যায় আমরা কি দুধ ফিরে পেতে পারি না. সো নো নিড টু ইউজ ক্রাইং ওভার স্প্লিট মিল্ক, নো নিড টু ক্রাই. ওকে, কেঁদেও কোনো লাভ নেই. So same sense are coming in this English proverb. Okay, but not the word by word meaning. I am telling again and again. Tile talam saha pashyati. That means he is seeing tile talam. That means til means a little seeds and talam means a big fruit. To whom we are telling? Those who are seeing telling some small things. Some people are there na making a big things. ছোট ছোট জিনিসকে অনেকে কি করে খুব বড় করে বলে. ছোট্ট সামান্য একটা ঘটনা এমন একটা বড় কিছু করে দিল যেন মনে হলো বিশাল কিছু. সো দ্যাট থিং কল ইন সংস্কৃত তিলে তালম সহ পশ্যতি. ওকে, মেকিং আ বিগ ফ্রুট তালম, see a big fruit where in a small seed. Actually it is a sense, you have to understand the sense. সেই সব মানুষদের বলা হচ্ছে যারা ছোট্ট জিনিসকে বড় করে তোলে বিনা কারণে. So same things we are getting in that proverb in English. To make a mountain of a molehill. Make a mountain, a big mountain. Who can make that? সেম পারসন ক্যান মেক এ মাউন্টেন ইন এ মোল হিল, মানে ছোট্ট একটা টিলাকে বড় পর্বতও বানিয়ে ফেলতে পারে. দোজ টাইপ অফ পিপল. ওকে, সো সেম সেন্স ইট ইজ কামিং. সো দিস থিংস ইউ হ্যাভ টু জাস্ট মেমোরাইজ. Just you have to memorize, because in exam maybe I'll give true, false, or fill in the blanks or correct the sentences. Okay, and this is only your today's project. Thank you and Hare Krishna. Sorry, one more thing I forget to tell. These things write in your CW copy now only. Okay, so CW copy te fatafat eta likhe felo. Only Sanskrit and English. Okay, Hare Krishna.